Hello. Do you ever want to share information with your company, but really only have a spreadsheet that has kind of sensitive information on it? Well, ImportRange can help you take private sheets and turn them into public ones by picking and choosing what you share, without the copy and paste function, of course. So that way, whenever you update it, the company-wide spreadsheet updates as well. So to do this, we are going to come over here. For this example, want to show my company what departments are costing the most in terms of salary and commissions for employees. So I know my C-suite has a spreadsheet that has all of the employees, their monthly commissions, their monthly salary, and some notes on them, but I know I don't want to share the notes or necessarily who's making what with the full company. So I'm going to take that spreadsheet that the C-suite has already built. I'm going to copy the URL. I'm going to take note of the tab name, which is earnings in this case, and the columns that I'm looking at. So I know I don't want to include last name because I don't want anyone to know who makes what, but I can take an employee ID, a sales department, a monthly salary, and average commissions, or I could even take just C through E here. But I'm going to take B through E and turn it into information back on the last sheet. So back over here on my original sheet, I'm going to go to A1 and I'm going to start typing import range. This doesn't have to be capitalized. It's kind of just best practice to capitalize, but we're going to type import range and then an open quotation mark. I'm going to paste in the URL, close my quotations, add a comma, and then we're going to start referencing what we actually want to look at within that sheet. So open a new quotation, and then we're going to add an apostrophe. This is going to tell us what the tab is. So think of the apostrophe as the opening and closing points of the tab, like you see at the bottom. So my tab was earnings. So earnings, I'm going to close that with the final apostrophe and then type an exclamation point, and then I'm going to reference my range. So back on this spreadsheet, I was looking at B through E that I wanted to pull in. So I'm going to come back here and I'm going to type B through E, close my quotation mark, close my parenthesis, hit return, and what I should get is a reference error. Perfect. This is telling me that I have to connect these two sheets and I have to give them permission to talk to each other. So we need to allow access here, and that should pull in all of the information I need. And now all of the formulas that I wanted to share with the greater company are automatically updated because this information is pulling in.